In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chess piece styles on chess.com. If you've ever felt that the default pieces are hard to read or you just want a fresh look for your games, updating the piece style is quick and makes a real difference in how comfortable and confident you feel over the board. Start by opening chess.com and heading to your account settings. On desktop, look for the settings option from your profile menu. Once you're in settings, find the section labeled Board and Pieces. This is where all your visual preferences live. If you're already in a game, you don't have to leave the board. Just click the small cogwheel icon, which opens your in-game settings, and then choose the Board and Pieces area from there. Both paths take you to the same place, so use whichever is more convenient. Inside Board and Pieces, you'll see a set of presets for how your chess pieces can look. These presets range from classic, tournament-style shapes to more modern or stylized designs. Click a preset to preview it directly on the board. The preview is helpful because it lets you see how pawns, knights, bishops, and the rest appear at a glance, and whether the shapes are distinct enough for your eyes. If you play a lot of blitz or bullet, a highly readable set can reduce mistakes and speed up recognition. If you enjoy a more thematic or artistic feel, a stylized set can make the experience more fun and personal. Once you find a design you like, keep it selected. Your choice is saved from this panel, and the change will carry over to live games, analysis, and puzzles. If you change your mind later, simply return to Board and Pieces and pick another preset. Nothing is permanent, and experimenting is encouraged. A few quick tips as you decide. Choose a set where the knight and bishop stand out clearly, since those are the pieces most players misread at speed. If you prefer high contrast, look for simpler silhouettes that remain clear on smaller screens. Playing on a mobile device? The process is similar. Open your settings, go to the board and piece visuals, and select a preset from the list. Keeping a consistent style across devices helps your pattern recognition stay sharp. That's all you need to refresh your look on chess.com. Head to Settings, open Board and Pieces, and pick a preset that suits your eyes and your style. Enjoy your next game with a board that feels just right.